Do you mix?
This will put enough curry powder. Guys, it's finally done. Look at this rice. Look at this jollof rice. And it tastes so good. This boy did a good job. This boy did a good job, guys. Hey guys, good evening. How you guys doing today? I hope you are doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you. Today's another video, and guess what? Who is cooking dinner? Ooh, somebody want to make dinner for us. Eddie want to make dinner. You say you want to make jollof rice? Is it not everybody that's going to eat it? Yeah. He called me. He said, "Oh, mommy, I want to make jollof rice." I said, "What? You want to make jollof rice?" Then after school, he went to the supermarket and bought some turkey wings and beef and some tomatoes. And let me show you guys. This boy made a business. Okay. Look at what he bought from the store. He bought some of these tomatoes, bell pepper. This is what is it called? This thyme pepper. You didn't see the red one for the pepper? No. They only have the green one. Yes. Okay. Now you just finished washing the chicken and the turkey and a beef. Now you just season it. Okay, I think that is enough now. Ooh, look at Chef Eddie. What are you going to do now? You can hold the stove and
put water.
Cover it.
You put a little bit of water.
Yeah, put a little bit of water. Eddie is cooking. I will just watch. Let him cook.
Is enough water?
Yeah, it's gonna steam with this juice. The juice will come out. Then you have to cover it and look at the cover right there. Move the stove properly. Move the pot a little bit forward.
How long? How high?
Not too high. Okay, that is enough. Okay, what are you going to do next? Cut the vegetables. Okay. Say you want to cut the vegetable. I'm here to supervise, okay? Now it's cutting the tomatoes and the bell pepper. I'm here to supervise. I'm just watching. Okay. Okay. This one is still cooking. Is that enough?
Enough? Not covering?
No, don't cover it. Now it's frying the meat, the turkey and the beef.
I love talk.
We are just here having fun while Eddie is cooking. When your son cook jollof rice.
I mean, it was telling you.
They're almost taller than me. You think so?
I almost your height. I mean, almost.
Love you guys.
Is the turkey done? Yes?
The garlic, you have to take the skin off, remember?
Is three too much?
Huh?
Habanero peppers?
Yeah, press it again.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, press it again.
This one?
Anyone. How long are we gonna fry that one? About 5 minutes. You have to keep stirring it now.
So it's like pebbles.
Yeah. Keep stirring. Stirring.
pepper.
Is this enough?
Nice washing the rice. Now it's time for you to pour the rice gently. Just check it.
Use the water spoon?
No, use that one.
How's the food finished?
We are still cooking. Oh.
Oh, it's done.
What the fuck?
Are you recording?
I'm being it.
Okay guys, I think the rice is ready. It smells so good. Good job, baby. My chef Eddie. You have to take it.
You need a little bit longer.
Huh?
A little bit longer.
Can I try it? Just a good. Wow. Good job. Eddie cooked jollof rice for the first time. How do you feel?
Good.
You feel good? Guys, it's finally done. Look at this rice. Look at this jollof rice. And it tastes so good. This boy did a good job. This boy did a good job, guys. You want to take the meat? Here's the meat. And we'll enjoy your food. Look at this. Is it? Let me take it on me.
No, you're not taking a picture of my whole face.
No. It's going to enjoy his food. Okay, guys. You're welcome. We are finally done. God, finally. Finished making jollof rice, guys. This rice tastes so good. And it's like exactly like party jollof rice. Look at the color, guys. Look at the color. Look at the color. Wow, I'm so proud of this boy. You see, if they put their mind on it, they can do it. He called me, said, "Mommy, I want to cook jollof." I said, "You want to cook jollof?" I said, "Yes." He came back with turkey, meat. He went to the supermarket and buy all the ingredients by himself. Now he cooked jollof rice. I can't believe he cooked jollof rice for the very first time. He cooked jollof rice for the very first time, and it tastes so good. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, please give Eddie a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section, and what do you think about it? Okay, leave it in the comment section. Definitely it's going to be reading you guys comment. Okay, make him proud. Okay, you guys share him up in the comment section, guys. Okay, guys, I'll see you all in our next video. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.